Hi everybody, we're going to show you how to set up a chat widget for a website with Umnico. Select Settings in the left menu, go to Left Chat tab. Here you can create any number of widgets by clicking on the plus icon. In the Settings tab, select the color of the button from a list or pick your own color. Select its position and Messages expansion options. Click Save. Here you can delete the widget as well. In the Online Chat tab, you can turn off the live chat so that only Messenger buttons are displayed. Set the time to automatically open a chat. Select the color of the window and messages from a list, or pick your own color. Select the language of your chat. Add online and offline status along with automatic reply. Click Save. Use the Messages tab to add links to Messenger customers can contact you on. In the next section, you can enter a phone number and change the color of its button. Use the Quick Answers tab to add fields with frequently asked questions and answers to them. You can set the language of them as well, add more questions and answers, delete them. Quick Answers display in the chat window. Next step will help you to create a feedback form. Add another field and name it here. Remove it. The setup section contains the widget code that must be installed on each page of your website before the closing body tag. To test your widget, click on the Test Chat button. A test page opens in a new tab. Now you can see how your chat widget looks and works. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us in the Help section. We'll be glad to help.